How do you oil an electric chainsaw? Electric chainsaws, unlike gasoline-powered models, don't need oil for an oil/gas mix. However, they still do need oil for lubricating the chain. It's important to use special chain lubricant. Don't use waste oil, which can be environmentally harmful and doesn't have the necessary lubricating properties. In an emergency, you could use multi-grade engine oil. Completely clean the filler cap. Make sure no dirt can get in the chain oil tank. Fill the chain oil tank with oil. Run the chainsaw, checking the oil level regularly. The chainsaw will throw off a small amount of oil in use, so keep an eye on the level. Make sure the level does go down. If it doesn't, there may be a problem with the supply system. Add oil when the tank oil level reaches the min mark or earlier. Don't run the chainsaw without oil. You'll quickly destroy the cutters. Tips warnings. Break in new chains for 2 to 3 minutes, then check tension.